We got married in 95. It's almost all 27 years and happy marriage. We moved in this house in 2011. Yeah, since then it's almost 11 years. We left this place only for the sake of lift, and later we thought, okay, fine, it's down, we are fine. But now since we are aging, I mean my parents and even my husband's parents are aging, they are unable to go up. That's the reason why we want to have a lift. Yeah, I did a lot of market research. I've been to other companies too, but somehow I felt Nibav is much better than other products. So that's the reason. And this size fits into our place exactly. That's the main reason. What things are more on your site specifications and everything, then we chose this Nibav over other things. So it made our life very easy, especially my life very easy, because I don't have to climb stairs now. I'm using more than my husband. Only we three are here. Whenever our parents or my in-laws come, they use it, but till now they didn't come. But otherwise, yeah, it made my work very easy. I like Alexa and the way we can use when kids go, technical people also, they are really, really good. Of course, I recommended also. I recommended a few people who are really going to their new villas, and I told them, instead of going for those dabba kind of lifts, why don't you choose this, because it gives little bit of different ambience than over other lifts. That is what I felt. It gives much richness when compared to that. Sorry, power bill kuda nakem peddaga em change anipaledu. This time etla ochindi ee month kuda ante ochindi. I don't see much difference. Thank you.